Aha. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Mike from Mike Art Photography TV, and in today's tutorial we are going to whiten the teeth and eyes in Adobe Photoshop. And this tutorial will take only about a minute, so make sure you stay subscribed if you're new here, and also leave a thumbs up at the end. And without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. This is my before and this is my after. Okay, you can see even from her eyes, this is my before and this is my after. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this is our image. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, you create a new black and white adjustment layer by clicking here and choose black and white. Then you'll close this small window. So from this window, you need to invert the layer. Okay, you press Ctrl I on your keyboard. So once you've done that, you click on the brush tool and make sure that your hardness, the hardness of your brush is at 0, always here. And make sure the opacity is at 100 and the flow is at 100, always. Okay, so once you've selected your brush, you increase the size of the brush so that it's almost the size of one tooth. I think mine that will be fine. And you click on the white color over here. So I'll just reduce it a little bit and I'll paint over the model's teeth. Okay, I'll paint the white over the model's teeth. You can see it's almost becoming white. Already this is the before and this the after. So we just continue doing that on all her other teeth so that they all become white. So once you've done that, we can safely say that the teeth are now white enough. And don't worry if you destroy your painting by painting on her lips. You just click on the black part and you paint over the destroyed part. Okay, so we are now going to her eyes, and make sure you do the same. Click on the white part and start painting over her eyes. Okay, over the whites of her eyes. So already if you look at our image, we are done with the editing. This is our before and this is our after. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is the before and this is the after. For the eyes, you can see this is the before and this is the after. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.